G'day folks, Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 27th of August. Well, Friday ended up being a really pretty choppy session, but with the currencies ending mixed and really going nowhere too far after the EU leaders' talks came up with no real result, and with most players having one eye on Jackson Hole and Bernanke's speech this coming Friday. Markets have opened pretty quietly this morning. It looks like being a pretty steady session through Asia, and then of course we've got the summer bank holiday in London, so that's closed. So I would expect Europe to be pretty quiet as well. So we've got the euro currently at 125.10, dollar yen's at 78.65, sterling's at 158.10, and dollar Swiss is at 96 the figure. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they're both slightly firm this morning. They had the Aussie took out some stops on Friday, got down to 103.78 I think it was, but it's back above 104, finished just above 104. Received a bit of support over the weekend after the Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao said, repeated his comments that the Chinese economy is going to need some further decent stimulus in the third quarter. So we've got the Aussie trading at a little bit higher, 104.25, and the Kiwis at 81.10. I wouldn't be expecting too much today, or really even this week. Really, all eyes are going to be on the Jackson Hole symposium on Friday, and until then, I think we'll probably be in for a fairly range-bound market. Today we've got the Chinese leading economic index coming out, which may provide a little bit of volatility, and later on in Europe we've got the German IFO. So that's really about it. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.